So now we have Gerald Dahlmann from Coherent, and I was surprised. I think of Coherent. I always think of lasers because that's what I've known Coherent for all this time. I was rather surprised that there's a whole nother side to Coherent involved in materials, and so I found this presentation more interesting than I thought it would be because it's hitting on some topics that are in the news lately. So with that, I'll hand it over to Gerald to introduce himself and to go into the presentation.
Okay, thank you very much. And thanks for the introduction, and very happy to hear and give an overview of what our company Coherent can offer for AR and VR applications. So I want to start with a few words about our company. So Coherent has grown a lot over the past 5 years, the result of the merger of II-VI and Finisar and the legacy Coherent. So today we are 26,000 employees. We have $4.7 billion in revenue. And our specialty is vertical integration. So we have offer products along the value chain. So materials, components, modules, and all the way to systems. And vertical integration also means that we have our own manufacturing. So we manufacture all the photonic key components. We usually have them in-house. So that means crystal materials and compound semiconductors. So these kind of core photonic components, we make them in our own fabs. Our business is divided in 3 segments. So the first one is optical communications. So these are links for data centers and for telecom networks. Then we have lasers. So this is our laser systems business for industries like precision manufacturing, for display, and for semiconductor manufacturing, and also for medical applications. And then we have materials. So materials is engineered materials, optics, and optoelectronics. So really component business that we supply internally to networking and lasers, but also externally to the open market. So very typical for Coherent. You can buy systems from us, but you can also buy the components to build your own systems. So, and here's what we offer for AR/VR applications. So I will talk about 3 areas today. So the first one is lasers for display manufacturing. So here we have lasers for lift-off and mass transfer of micro-LEDs. I will also talk about lasers for writing of holographic optical elements. The second area then is components for optical sensing. So here I will talk about laser diodes, illumination modules that are used for 3D sensing, and depth perception technologies. And then I will talk for components for AR displays. And here mainly I will focus on our high index materials for waveguide displays. So the first area is laser solutions for display manufacturing. So that's the classical Coherent business. And we believe, like many in the industry, that micro-LEDs in the future, they will be used for AR displays, maybe potentially also for VR. And we make lasers for manufacturing of micro-LEDs. And specifically, we make the lasers for laser liftoff to release the micro-LEDs from their substrate and then transfer them onto a backplane. So this is done with deep UV lasers, so excimer lasers operating at 248 nanometers. And the way it works, that is the light gets absorbed in a buffer gallium nitride layer. It evaporates and then releases the micro-LEDs from the substrate. And we offer just the lasers, but we also offer complete turnkey solutions. So that means laser with optics and XY stages, imaging systems. So really designed for industrial customers. What we're doing is we provide a system for high precision, high yield, high volume manufacturing, really designed for industrial customers. And the other laser topic that I have today is laser recording of holographic optical elements. So you probably all know that there are 2 types of couplers for waveguides, so the surface relief gratings and the holographic couplers. And we make lasers to write holographic couplers. So they have advantages. So they